Hey NC family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my son's end of the week moisturize and seal routine for dry hair. If your little one has dry hair, this is the video to watch. Whenever I'm moisturizing my son's hair, I like to work in sections and also take out one twist at a time and moisturize that twist. This really helps me to moisturize his hair really well, and also it gives the products an even spread throughout his strands just so that I'm not missing any spots. I do this method once a week at the end of the week. So I start off by misting my son's hair with water. Once I'm done with this, I like to work it into his hair. Now the method I'm using to moisturize my son's hair in this video is the LCO method. So that's basically your L stands for your liquid, in this case water, your other L stands for your leave-in conditioner, and then your C stands for your cream, and then your O stands for your oil or your butter. So the next step is to apply this cream, which also can be used as a leave-in conditioner. I apply that to the full lengths of his hair. Now the next layer I apply to his hair is this twist whip butter. Now don't get confused by the name. It isn't actually a butter, it's a water-based cream moisturizer. That's why it's really important to understand ingredients, because you'll be able to tell what the product actually is rather than what it says on the front. Now this is an actual butter. It's made up of butters and oils, and this is what I use to, help with the moisture retention. So once I'm done with that, I like to go ahead and twist his hair. Now what I like to do is to start off by plaiting his hair, and then I twist the rest of his hair. Now mamas, if you're not aware of the LCO method, or you just don't have a clue what I'm talking about, seriously, click the link below this video and in the description box and download my free guide on how to moisturize your child's hair effectively using the LCO method. This guide is going to break it down for you so you understand what the LCO method is. It's going to give you examples so that you can also use this method, tweak this method to moisturize your little one's hair. So when I get to the ends of my son's hair, I like to add a bit more product, as the ends is the oldest and the driest part of the hair. So adding a bit more product just helps to soften it and help with moisture retention. Voila, all done. Now I know you're probably wondering, does she really do this every week at the end of the week? I sure do. If I want my son's hair to, retain moisture, retain length, this is what I gotta do. I gotta put in the work, guys, but it works. It keeps his hair healthy, retaining moisture and retaining length. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with anyone you feel may benefit from watching.